In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Paybright. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, to start this process, I am on the Paybright website at www.paybright.com. You will notice that nowadays, in the time that I'm recording this video, Paybright is now owned by a firm, and if you go over to their official website, select your region, you will be redirected to the Affirm website instead. So while you can try to visit the Paybright website or download the Paybright mobile app, it seems like they are shifting over completely to Affirm. I highly recommend that you follow the instructions on screen and you click Shop Now, which will redirect you to the new service owned by Affirm. This one is much better. It is going to have many stores and it is going to be available on the same regions as Paybright. So instead of using this service, you will now have to use Affirm. So click Shop Now and you will be redirected to the Affirm website. In here, the process is mostly the same as it was before. What you have to do is either download the mobile app or browse through stores on this page for Affirm. Make sure that you create an account on their website, select your region, follow through the instructions on screen, and you will be able to apply to create an Affirm account that can be used to buy now and pay later on any of these stores. Once you have your Affirm account properly set up in any region available, what you have to do, like I said, is choose any of these stores presented here. You will also be able to find more stores through the latest version of their mobile app. For this video, I'm going to show this process online, but like I said, it can also be done on the mobile app. For all of these stores, Affirm is going to be available during checkout. So all that you have to do, like I said, is to open them on a new tab or on your phone, browse through the items and proceed to checkout. Add everything to your cart, and once you are done, when you proceed to checkout and you reach the payment method window, as you can see over here, you will have the option to choose Buy Now, Pay Later. Affirm and Zip are usually going to be available for these regions, but all you have to do, as you might expect, is choose the Affirm option. You will be able to see the amount over here, and you can click Learn More if you want to acquire more information regarding Affirm. So you can enter an example amount, which is usually going to be auto-filled by the amount of this checkout, and you can browse through all of the plans that they have to offer for you. Make sure you choose any of the plans available here. You will be redirected to the Affirm app, or if you are doing this process on desktop, like you can see here, you will have to click Checkout with Affirm and sign into your pre-existing Affirm account. Everything will be managed through the app and you will be good to go as long as you proceed to checkout and you sign into your Affirm account. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Affirm or Paybright. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.